If you are learning Angular, React, .NET, Java, watching tutorial daily, but still not feel confident like a real developer, then this video might hurt you, but it will save your career. Because 90% developer never become a full stack, and today I will tell you exactly why. Before you get defensive, listen carefully. This video is not about the talent, it is not about the IQ, it is not about the any degree or college. It is about thinking wrong about what full stack developer actually means. If you don't fix this early, you will stay stuck for years. Reason number 1, tutorial addiction. Most developers think learning is equal to watching tutorial. One more React course, one more backend course, one more DevOps playlist. But let me tell you honestly, tutorial don't make you full stack developer. You push, you copy, it works. But when the screen is blank, your mind is blank too. A full stack developer is not someone who can write syntax, but it is someone who can build without guidance. If you need tutorial for every small thing, then this video is for you. Reason number 2, front-end only comfort zone. This is big one. Most people say, I am front-end developer, back-end later. You know UI, you know CSS, you know framework, but you don't know how data flow, how API fail, how database break. That's why company don't trust you with real system. Full stack means responsibility, not just UI. Reason 3, no real project thinking. Most projects are fake, login page, CRUD app, weather app. But real software has wrong data, slow APIs, security issue, deployment problems. Until you face this problem, you are not full stack developer. You are just learner, you are not builder. Reason 4, ignoring DevOps and deployment part. And this is truth nobody tell to the junior developer. If your project run only on your laptop, it does not exist. Company wants developer who can say, yes, I can deploy it. And that's why DevOps basic matter even for the front-end developer. You can watch my video DevOps basic in my playlist. Reason 5, thinking full stack is equal to everything. This is the biggest misunderstanding. Full stack does not mean knowing everything. It means understanding the full flow, knowing where to debug, knowing how part connect. Depth plus clarity is 1000 times greater than any tools. What actually make you full stack developer? Let's simplify it. A full stack developer can design a feature, build front end, write backend logic, connect database, deploy and debug issues, not perfectly but confidently. If you feel uncomfortable, then that is good because learning starts from the discomfort. Now here, what you should do next. Watch playlists in order, not randomly, especially this video, how front-end, back-end and database work together. Real full stack project flow. DevOps basics every full stack developer should know. If you want to become a real full stack developer, not someone just with certificate, subscribe and stay with roadmap.